What's up, friends? How y'all doing? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you couldn't tell from the thumbnail, we're doing another product review, and it is the Alani new Breezeberry energy drinks. So if you want to get my first impression on these items and you want to know if I think they taste good or how they make me feel, stay tuned to the video. Alright, y'all, so Alani new just released these Breezeberry energy drinks, and if y'all didn't know from my prior video when I tasted the pre-workout, so let's see how it's gonna taste.
Hold up.
That tastes so good. I love that pre-workout. That pre-workout is so good, okay? Like, if I could buy all of them up, I would. And even with the last time I tried to buy some, they were out of stock. But I ended up finding another store that carried them. So I got me another batch of some pre-workouts. So anyway, today we're going to be reviewing the energy drinks. And I'm so excited. And as you can see, I had to get a pack of 12 because I bought them off their website when they released. Now, at first, it was like,
oh, we sold out.
I was like, bruh, I really wanted those. I had to refresh, and then it just popped up that they were back in stock, and I was like, take my money, here's my debit card information, there you go. So I haven't opened it yet, and I placed them on release date. So it did take a while from how it usually takes to get to me. Usually it takes about a couple of days to get to me, but it took like, I want to say a good 5-6 days to get to me. So I was just like,
oh.
Anyway, so I'm gonna pop one of these open and we're gonna get my reaction. So this is what the can looks like. It has Alani new energy, and then it says Breezeberry on top, and it has some berries along the bottle. I can't talk. And then here are the ingredients in the bottle. It gives the nutritional facts of it. So the bottle itself is very, very pretty, and the packaging is very nice, and I really like it. So what I'm going to do is just read off what is on the back of the bottle, the nutritional facts, and it says there's 0 total fat, there's 6 carbs, there's 2 sugar alcohol, and there's no protein. But you have your potassium, your vitamin B6, other vitamins that are in here. The ingredients just have your ingredients for an energy drink. So it contains 200 milligrams of caffeine per 12-ounce serving. So this is a 12 fluid ounce can, and is not recommended for children, people sensitive to caffeine, pregnant women, or women who are nursing. Now, oh, and there's 15 calories in the can. If y'all know anything about me, you already know the girl is animated. Y'all already know I be hyped up, okay? I'm the hype woman, okay? So, me having this is probably gonna hype me up even more, baby, okay? So what I'm gonna do is go rinse the can, because I rinse the can of the stuff that I get, just to make sure that it's like clean for me to drink out of. And I'm gonna get to guzzling on this. So let's get to it. All right, can is rinsed off. Let's pop it open. Let's smell it. Ooh. Ah. Oh, it's clear. Let me pour this in my mason jar so y'all can get a look at it. So. Oh my. That smells so good. It smells like bubble yum. Oh, my mouth is drooling. I hope I don't drool. Y'all know that TikTok, we're like, I hope I don't fall. I hope I don't drool. So let's give this a taste test. I am excited. It smells really good. Ooh. Okay, Alani, no. is good. Now comparing it to the pre-workout, the pre-workout definitely has more of a berry taste to it. This tastes more like like an energy drink. So if you have had an energy drink before, it tastes like an energy drink. It does, you can taste the flavor of the berries, or the imitation of berries, but like watered down, but you still get that taste of the berries. It's still really good though. I really like this. As far as aftertaste, there's no bad aftertaste. The aftertaste of this is really good. I really like the aftertaste of this. How do I feel right now as far as my first initial taste? I feel good. Again, when it comes to me, like when I take pre-workout or I drink energy drinks, my heart really doesn't race. I really don't get like a high feeling of anxiety. Like some people, they really cannot handle energy drinks. They really cannot handle pre-workout. But thankfully, I am not one of those people. Because if I was one of those people, something would really be wrong with me to be taking this stuff. So those are really my first thoughts and opinion about it. I really like this. And if I don't want to have my pre-workout, or I don't feel like mixing my pre-workout, I can have this. Is it worth the 6 carbs? Well, if you take away the sugar, alcohol, it's really 4 net carbs. Is it worth the 4 net carbs? I would say yes. I could definitely include this some way, somehow in my journey. It will not be an everyday thing though. Oh no, honey. Oh no. I cannot have an energy drink every single day. 200 milligrams of caffeine. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. But either way, I wouldn't have an energy drink every single day. So this is good. I like this. I really hope that I explain the flavor to the best of my ability for you guys. Oh, you know, okay. Now that I'm thinking about it, if you guys ever tasted the blue raspberry Sour Patch Kid, that's what this is reminding me of personally. That's definitely what it's reminding me of. The blue raspberry Sour Patch Kid. Oh, don't let them come out with that flavor, because if they came out with that flavor, boy. But yeah, so that is what I think about this product for right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go throughout my day, and once I start feeling some type of way, like if I feel like I'm really energized and stuff is really kicking in, or if I feel like something's wrong, or whatever in how I'm feeling, I will let you guys know. That way I'm not hogging up all y'all time. So yes, let's go about my day, and I will let y'all know how everything is going when things start to happen. Hey y'all, so I'm back, and it's been about 5 hours since the last time I updated y'all about the energy drink. And did it give me that extra energy? Did I feel pumped up? Did I feel energized? No, I did not. The flavor is really good, and I could see myself incorporating that earlier in my day before I take like pre-workout later in the day. And I do see myself substituting the energy drink for coffee, because I like to drink coffee for my lunchtime or my breakfast whenever I decide to have it. There was no difference. I personally was not energized or didn't have that energy feeling after taking it. Within the first hour, I was just like, yeah, I don't feel no energy. Maybe it's because I'm already animated, and maybe because I'm already hyped up and all that. I don't know. But yeah, in all, really good flavor. I can incorporate that. I definitely see myself incorporating the energy drink. So that's just my opinion on it. Now what I'm gonna do is get ready for my workout. So I hope you guys are staying safe and staying healthy and taking care of yourselves. And until next time, I'll do what? I'll talk to y'all later.